Every tennis ball begins with natural rubber drawn from the earth. Fresh latex is gathered before its transformation begins. Raw material moves from plantation to processing chain. Premium wool will later shape the ball's outer skin. Essential compounds prepare the rubber for durability. Down. All core materials are assembled for factory delivery. The journey from field to facility begins. Raw resources arrive where precision engineering takes over.
Clear to proceed!
Arrival marks the beginning of controlled industrial precision. Every shipment is verified before entering production. Positioning ensures safety and seamless transfer. Raw materials stand ready for internal movement. Natural latex advances toward refinement. The felt material enters controlled processing zones. Binding agents are secured under strict regulation. Inside these walls, transformation is about to begin. Inside the facility, raw rubber meets industrial force. Measured input ensures consistency from the very first step. Parallel preparation begins for the outer layer. A single ecosystem drives every stage of production. Climate control protects material integrity. Chemistry and motion combine to form raw compound. From liquid to solid form, structure begins to emerge. Stability is locked in before precision shaping. Every surface is examined before shaping begins. Exact shapes are pressed from continuous material. Cleanliness prepares each piece for bonding. Moisture is removed to protect structural integrity. Only flawless components continue forward. Preparation leads into structural formation. Heat and pressure begin shaping the core. The core begins to take its first defined shape. Automation ensures uniform handling at scale. Controlled cooling preserves structural precision. Precision bonding prepares the internal chamber. Two halves become a unified sphere. Internal pressure defines bounce performance. Heat locks the structure from within. Only balanced cores move toward final transformation. The outer layer begins with carefully blended fibers. Alignment ensures strength and uniform texture. Heat and pressure bind fibers into durable felt. Color defines visibility on the court. Drying stabilizes texture and tone. Each panel is shaped for aerodynamic balance. Bonding prepares the union of core and cover. The iconic surface finally takes form. Surface brushing refines texture and performance. Seam positioning is measured with absolute precision. Digital mapping confirms dimensional accuracy. Bounce response determines competitive reliability. Internal pressure must meet strict standards. Weight consistency defines competitive fairness. Qualified balls advance toward final branding. Automation prepares the finishing identity. Identity is stamped with mechanical precision. Curing locks the mark permanently in place. Surface refinement restores uniform texture. Human oversight confirms machine accuracy. Attention to detail defines professional standards. True balance reveals itself in motion. Standardized sets prepare for packaging. The final stage approaches as production nears completion. Before release, every batch faces final verification. Fiber density is examined at microscopic scale. Structural resilience must meet competitive demands. Bounce behavior is analyzed frame by frame. Performance must endure changing conditions. Specifications are confirmed without compromise. Only certified batches proceed to packaging. With approval secured, production enters its final phase. Packaging preserves performance until first play. Internal atmosphere protects competitive bounce. Traceability ensures accountability from factory to court. Individual units combine into retail-ready cartons. Precision stacking prepares large-scale distribution. Inventory stands ready for global shipment. From factory floor to transport line. And this is how modern factories produce tennis balls from start to finish.